Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you the best downloader codes which you can use on your Firestick to watch movies, TV shows, live TV or sports. And without any further ado, the first step is of course you gotta have the downloader app on your Firestick device. And if you don't already have it, then let me quickly show you how to get it. So just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you would click on it, and now here's the app that you have to get to your Firestick device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, you'll go to settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, you just scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So, if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you go to install known apps, and from here all you gotta do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So let's go straight back into the list of apps on your Fire Stick. We open it up, and now here you'll see downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Brazil right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight to the list of apps on your Firestick device and open up downloader. So here it is. And in the downloader application, pretty much all we gotta do is open the search bar, and in here we'll be entering the codes. So the first code will be 628932. So once again, 628932. That's the code you have to enter. Then click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you click on install, and now the app will be installed to the Fire TV. And after that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll be able to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, you'll open it. And now when it loads, you'll find this app that we just downloaded. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then you can open the app. And here you get access to hundreds of channels and sports events. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. And that was the first app we got for you today, but I still got a couple more codes for the downloader, so we could get you more movies, TV shows, or live channels. So let's go straight back to downloader application. Here it is, let's open it. And now when it loads again, we will enter a new code. So the second code that we're gonna use will be 764496. So once again, 764496. That's the second code we're using. Click on go. And this time we are getting the movie application for you. So this app will have thousands of movies and TV shows, including the newest ones, which are only available in the movie theaters. And now the download of this app has started, so just wait a bit. And then after the app is downloaded, you click on install, and of course wait for the app to finish installing to your Firestick. And then just like previously, you click on done to delete the unnecessary installation files from your device. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV again, you'll find the second application. So let's take a look at that as well. So here's the second app we got for you. It's the movie application. So let's put it up front as well. And now we got 2 amazing apps. So let's open that movie app. And as I said, from here you'll get thousands of movies and TV shows on your Firestick. Just had to blur out the screen for the same reason as before, but of course in your case it is not going to be blurry. And now let's head straight back to the loader so I could show you the last code of the day. So go back into the loader, click on the home button again, erase that previous code from the search bar. And now the last code is going to be 912526. So once again, 912526. Click on go and wait a bit. And now the download of the last application has started for us. Like always, click on install and then wait for the app to get installed on your Fire TV stick. After that, as always, do not forget to delete the unnecessary installation files by clicking on done and then clicking on delete and delete once again. Now let's head straight back into the list of apps of your Firestick. There it is, we'll open it. And there's the last app that we got for you. It's also a live TV application with both live TV and live sports channels. And there are a lot of them from all over the world. So let's put an app up front as well. And now today you got 3 amazing apps for your Firestick. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.